A granular soil has a saturated unit weight of 20 kilonewton per meter cube and an effective angle of shearing resistance of 30 degrees. The unit weight of water is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. A slope is to be made on this soil deposit in which seepage occurs parallel to the slope up to free surface. Under this seepage condition, for a factor of safety 1.5, the safe slope angle would be. So, slope, water is moving, seepage is occurring, there is soil. You can consider this as depth Z. There is soil of depth Z and phi, angle of shearing resistance is given to as 30 degrees. Gamma saturated is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Gamma W is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. Factor of safety is given to as 1.5. He said soil is granular. Soil is granular means C value is equal to 0. C value is equal to 0. That is, each and every point in the question makes a difference. So that based on that you have to say C is equal to 0 or C dash is equal to 0. Generalized form of factor of safety when seepage occurs is given to us in the slopes. You can always prove this, but it's better to remember, it's time saving. Upon gamma saturated cos Z cos beta sin beta. Since C dash is equal to 0 and this is 1.5, you'll write it as gamma dash Z cos square beta tan phi upon gamma saturated Z cos beta sin beta. Cos beta sin beta. This gets cancelled. Sin beta by cos beta is tan beta. Z gets cancelled. Gamma dash by gamma saturated is tan phi upon tan beta, that is equal to 1.5. Gamma saturated is given to you as 20 minus 9.81 is gamma dash, gamma submerged, upon 20 into tan phi 30 degrees upon tan beta. 1.5 is equal to, from this you will get the value of beta as 11.09 degrees. If at all, if it is not up to free surface, if it is only up to some amount of surface, then you have to calculate gamma effective and then you have to do all these type of problems. And if seepage is not occurring, then this will change to gamma saturated. If it is only saturated and seepage is not occurring, this will change to gamma saturated. So according to the problem, it keeps on changing. So first you have to analyze the problem and then attempt that problem. This is how you will solve this, and this is the value you will get. Beta is equal to 11.09 degrees. Thank you.